drive system and the removal of 1,000 cubic yards of rock. We'll see survey marks, rock faces, that indicate where rock removal is. And we see finished streams flow year-round, and it has hundreds of cables ranging from the desert to the Alpine fringe. It's a little like making a motor trip to Mexico to the last. We believe this is the only place in Southern California where this is. As we approach town,
He'll be throwing it.
these are the They weigh just under 9 pounds a foot, with each of them. The halfway point on our trip reached between Tower and Spring.
That's so exciting.
With the car. You see, the drive's valley
Three, this one's going to have a larger swing set. Make sure you're hanging on to something, someone. Maybe your friend, find a loved one.
It's one of the most dramatic sights of our entire trip. The majestic spire, the solid granite core. As we continue our journey, the light zone changes become we'll see a variety of Fox, Raccoon, and the California.
I would like to leave that door.
There's a solid car in town now. Look at that. It's just sprawl.
That's not it.
The smallest of the 5 towers is tower number 4, 57.5 feet tall, located at an elevation of 7,000 We are nearing the end of our journey now. Within the state park wilderness are more than 54 miles of summer hiking trails and, in winter, many miles of snowshoe cross-country ski opportunity. This is, by the way, one of the... Please stay on the prepared trails so this magnificent wilderness setting may be preserved. In the mountain station, you'll discover the Tramway.
8,500 feet. Alrighty, folks, welcome to the mountain station. Elevation is going to be 8,000